Good evening, students. Yesterday we have studied the functions of the skeletal system. So before that, what we have studied? Some important parts of skeletal system. So before going to start the today's session, we just recall the previous session. Okay. And yesterday what I have told you? After finish my video, what you have to do? You have to read the lesson. Okay. So in the first section we have studied about the joints, then skeletal system, then what we have studied about bones, then important parts of the skeletal system. In that we have studied about skull. Okay. Then whatever bones present in the head, what it will be called? It will be called skull. Then rib cage. Okay. Then backbone. And another name of backbone is vertebrae. Okay. In the second session, means yesterday, we have studied the functions of the skeletal system. Functions means how it will be helpful for human body. So first function is gives shape and support to our body. For that, for each function, I have already gave you one example. So you can understand better and you can remember it. For gives shape, which example I have given you? Yes, that is the face also. Okay, that is head. Because of skull, there is specific shape will be our face, our head. And the support to our body, for that I have gave you example of backbone. It will be helpful for human body to sit erect, or it can be walk, stand. Okay. The next function, what we have studied? Protects the organs. Okay. So for second function, I have gave you example heart and lungs. For because of rib cage, means whatever bones present in the chest, it will be called rib cage. And rib cage, it will be joined in the front also and in back also. Okay. In that, what it is present? In rib cage, heart and lungs present. And because of the covering of that bone, it will be protect from any injury. Okay. Then third function, help us to move. For that, I have gave you example of head, knee also, and the bones of legs. Because of that, we can move. And here also joint, because of joint, we can move a neck, head. Sorry. So today we are going to start the new point. It is how can we keep our bones strong and healthy. In the starting, we have studied what is the bones, what is the joints, what is meant by skeletal system, which important parts are there, what is the function. Then what we have to do, children? We have to keep all our organs of our body keep healthy and strong. Okay. So how can we keep? Today we are going to study that. So what we have to do first? We have to eat healthy food. Now what is meant by healthy food? So whatever foods in that all nutrients, vitamins, minerals are present, we have to eat that food. Then we can keep our body parts strong and healthy. Okay, so healthy food, what we have to do, we have to drink milk. Milk is rich in calcium, so our bones will be strong. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to drink milk. Then which type of food we have to eat? We have to eat leafy vegetables, then pulses, okay, all milk products. Then we can keep our bones strong, we can keep our body healthy. So pulses are rich in vitamins, nutrients. So we have to eat all types of pulses. And whatever our mother give, we have to eat. We have to don't eat like that only jam, sauce or junk food only, because we have to keep our bones strong. Then our skeletal system will be work properly. So from today what you have to do, you have to eat all type of food whatever your mother gives. So you have to drink milk also, milk product also you have to eat. Okay, so next point, how can we keep good posture? In this diagram you can see this girl. First, in first picture you can see how sitting these girls, she sit like bend like that. So because of that what will be happen, our backbone will be bent. So what we have to do, we have to eat straight. In second second picture you can see she is sitting properly, and in third picture she is also sitting erect, but she bent in the forward position. So we have to sit erect, then our backbone will be work properly. Okay, second point, all of you understood? Then next, third point, what we have to do to keep our bones strong? We have to do exercise daily. We have to play outdoor games. Then our bones will be work properly. So exercise is very important, children. And now today you have time also. Get up early, then exercise, then drink milk. Okay, and for that, for what will be happen, our health will be maintained. So how can we keep our body healthy, strong our bones? How can we keep our bones strong? Because of we can eat healthy food, then we have to sit erect, then we have to do exercise daily, and we have to play indoor game also, and as well as outdoor game also. Okay, so next point is fracture. Now what is meant by fracture? In this picture you can see it is the X-ray. It is the picture of X-ray. If in the accident also, or playtime also, if you fall down or you have injury, then if your bone will be crack or break, it will be called the fracture. So students, sometimes what will be happen, if in accident or you fall bad, then you fall badly, then your bone will be crack or break, and it will be called the fracture. Okay, now how can we identify the fracture? First, if any injury will be happen, what we have to do? We have to go to the doctor. Then doctor gives suggestion for X-ray, and in that X-ray he can see the where it break, and then what doctor is doing? Doctor will give the plaster of that part, and in the plaster, so the plaster helps to keep that bone in correct position. Okay, so in this lesson we have studied the skeletal system. In that we have studied the important parts of skeletal system. First we have studied the what is meant by skeletal system, then important parts of skeletal system, then functions of that, then how can we keep bones and health well, because of healthy food, exercise, we have to sit proper. Okay, and after that we are if we take care, and then also we get the fracture, what we have to do, and what is meant by fracture, what is the plaster, we have studied in this lesson. So students, here we have finished the fourth lesson of EVS 1. So now what you have to do? Today you have to read whole lesson. Okay, from tomorrow I will give you notes, and when you finish your writing, or we have completed the notes, then after that I will give you explanation of question answer. Okay, in video. Okay, I will try for Google Meet. If not possible, I will give you like the link. Okay, so here we have finished fourth lesson. Thank you.